Hey people, how longer are you planning to stay stupid by saying stupid? In this video, I'm going to tell you 7 words that you can use instead of stupid if you want to just tell to somebody that, oh, you are stupid. The first one that you can use is dumb. Are you dumb? Second one is dope. Are you even dope? Third one is fool. Hey, are you a fool? Fourth, brainless. Are you just brainless? Fifth, idiot. You're just an idiot. Sixth, moron. Seventh, silly. So these were the 7 words that you can use instead of saying stupid all of the times. And this will help you to increase your vocabulary. And for more such English vocabulary words and tips, do follow me on my Instagram and do subscribe to this YouTube channel. The subscribe button is just below here.